Welcome back, everybody. I've got the dial. This one would probably been okay, but it was really hard to clean. If you'll remember how smoky this radio and chassis was in the beginning, and right where the window is extremely smoky. Now I could probably leave this, but this one it's broken. So I ordered a replacement from Radio Days, and there it is. Very good reproduction. They do excellent work. Excellent work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off, and then we're going to drill out the rivets, and then we're going to pop rivet this back on. And then we'll put it in the cabinet, and hopefully it all works again, because it's been sitting around for a little while. Let's see if I can do this. I think there's a little set screw here, and that comes off. Now we got to get the knob on, and then this will come right on. So now what we'll do is we'll drill these little rivets out and clean this plate up a little bit, and then I think I've got some pop rivets that size. I drilled this very, very carefully, not to booger up the holes. But I did discover that the rivets I have are not only too long, but they're also too big. And if you can see, there's not that much on the edge. So I'm going to go to plan B. And so this is I'm going to try to put this on and see if I can use, I just happen to have a few little screws, and well, I can't put the washer on them just yet, but instead of rivets, we'll try to put them on with these small screws here. And they should be about the same, should be okay. Should clear in the back. And I think, and I've got lock washers and everything, so I think that should be okay. First I'm going to take some steel wool, and I'm going to clean this up real good, since I can do it without damaging the dial. Okay, I've cleaned up the dial, the metal, and let's see, I believe it goes like this. Let's see if I can get one of these screws in here. These are so small. I've put a washer on it. If I can get a couple of them in to hold this together, I'll be in good shape. And these nuts are tiny. And my hands are covering everything up, I'm sure. Okay, I think I got that one started. Let's see, I think I've got a screwdriver over here. Just get it started. Don't want it tight. See if we can get this other one in here. Ah! And the washer falls off. Just happen to have another one loaded. this washer back on here, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. Shouldn't stick out too far. Hope not, anyway. Yikes. And one more, and they should line up. I shouldn't say anything when I was fixing to say the floor monster hadn't eaten any of it yet. Alright, what do you think about that? Think that'll work? Let me tighten these up and we'll put that thing on. Okay. See our witness mark there? Slide that on. Thusly. If I can find my good screwdriver, I can tighten that up. Sorry I'm bumping the camera. Trying a new overhead angle today. I want to make sure I get this lined up about right. Alright, that should be it. So let's get a new angle and turn it on and see how it looks. Okay, there it is. It shines through all this. I think there's a little arrow in the window that will show up. Alright, let's put it in the case. See what it looks like. Well, I've got it put back together. Wife helped me pick out the grill cloth. Put felt washers behind each one of those. I really like the color of it. The different contrast. You can see the crack still in the top, but it's been filled. It looks a little redder on the screen than it really is, but didn't turn out too bad. Let me put it on the stand and demonstrate the receiver. This is one of the local stations up the road. It's changed formats. It's on the low end of the band. It's about noon. And of course that was maximum volume. Fairly few stations. Barely hear one there. Better about ready for the one that's about 2 miles away. Then we're in on the high end of the band. Gets a little better. Not a whole lot, but Okay, I think that kind of winds it up for us now. It's been an interesting project, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, from Larry, from the hills of Tennessee, thanks for watching.